Classified Crime is on the case of Colleen Rose, and today we're going to look at an update on her court docket after she failed to show up for her hearing and her bond was revoked. Colleen currently has two open cases, the civil court eviction and the criminal court charges here listed. The possession of paraphernalia, Schedule II substance, cannabis, and maintaining a drug dwelling, as well as the contributing to a delinquency of a child. Now, on the civil case, it does show the return of service. Colleen and any other person in occupancy at the home was served on July 25th at 2:52 p.m. And there was a cohabitant that also received it. So she did get her summons to appear and to respond to the eviction. This currently doesn't have any court dates scheduled at this time. Now, under the criminal case, if you look under the charges, it shows what she was charged with and what charge was actually filed by the prosecutor. So maintaining a drug dwelling or conveyance, because her car had so much different paraphernalia and packaged items, they considered it a public nuisance and that she's basically probably selling. It doesn't say intent to distribute, and then they charged her with neglect, but they said the file charged by the prosecutor was contributing to the delinquency of a child. And then if you come down here to the docket, she was supposed to appear in court on 7:30. At 9 a.m., there was a notice sent to her and to her bondsman. The court date of July 30th, arraignment minutes, there is a request currently in, but the defendant was not present in court. Bond was revoked. A KPS issued bond set at none, and a nationwide warrant, no expiration. So that was on 7:30. She didn't show up for court. Then they set the status to the CP warrant there, and then sent the notice of forfeiture to each of her bonds because she had 5 different charges and she had a bond for each. So those are all forfeited. I still haven't been able to see who signed for her bond. It didn't show on the one that they have released to the public. And then we have a rearrest. She was arrested on 8/5, and her case is set back to open on 8/6. The defendant was present for the first appearance on 8/6 and appointed probable cause, bond set at none, and then they appointed a public defender. So all the bonds are discharged. So she has no bond, and her court date is now set for August 27th at 9 a.m. So I will continue to watch this docket and keep you updated with Colleen Rose. She is now sitting in the Putnam County Jail awaiting her hearing. Now, I have put in some FOIA requests with Putnam County. I haven't had a lot of success with them. They basically just respond that I need some kind of subpoena to access any of the information that I was looking for. So I'll have to continue to research that. But I'm betting Colleen wishes she had just showed up for court. It doesn't make sense that she was served on the 25th, 5 days before she was supposed to appear, with the eviction notice, and then that means she was in town at that time. So 5 days later, she just didn't show up for court. I don't know why she wouldn't have just shown up, but anyway, now she is not going to be back out until they have her hearing and either find her guilty or innocent. Of course, she is presumed innocent until proven otherwise in court. But in the meantime, we will continue to follow this case. So thank you so much for watching.